Hello. Hello. Welcome back, everyone. I'm John, your English teacher. Today we have a very calm and special episode. Today we talk about memories. Old memories, simple memories. We remember something old, and we learn English at the same time.
Hi, John. Hi, listeners. I love this topic. Talking about old things feels warm. It feels soft, like a small memory in the heart.
Yes, a memory in the heart. And today we will learn English with this theme. We will learn greetings, numbers, days of the week, objects, food and drinks, and daily activities. And we will practice with slow repetition. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's start with greetings. Mateo, do you remember your first English greeting?
Yes, I think it was hello.
Good. Hello. Let's say it slowly for the listeners. Repeat after me. Hello. Now another one. Hi. And another one. Good morning. Mateo, what greeting did your grandma use when you were a child?
She always said, "Good morning, Mateo." Very warm and sweet.
Oh, nice. Listeners, repeat. Good morning, Mateo. Now, good afternoon. And good evening. Now, a polite one. How are you? Mateo, how would you answer?
I say, "I'm fine, thank you."
Perfect. Repeat. I'm fine, thank you. John, now let's talk about numbers. Numbers help us remember time, years, age, dates.
Mateo, how old were you when you learned your first English word? I think I was 10 years old.
10. Let's practice numbers 1 to 20. Listeners, repeat after me, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. And now, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Mateo, do you remember something from when you were 6?
Yes, I had a little blue toy car. I loved it.
Great. Let's repeat. 6. And now, toy car. Nice. John, now let's talk about days of the week. Memories always happen on a day. Monday, Tuesday. Repeat after me, very slowly. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Perfect. Mateo, do you remember a special day from your childhood?
Yes, Saturdays. Every Saturday I went to the park with my dad.
Beautiful. Listeners, repeat, Saturday. And repeat, I went to the park. John, now let's talk about objects. Objects help us remember the past. Old toys, old books, old shirts, old photos. Repeat after me. Toy, book, shirt, photo, key, bag. Mateo, what object reminds you of your childhood?
A small red ball. I played with it every day.
Nice. Let's repeat. Ball and red ball. Now a full sentence. I remember my red ball. Good. John, another old object could be a phone, radio, or clock. Repeat. Phone, radio, clock. Wonderful. John, food brings strong memories. Old smells, old tastes.
Mateo, what food reminds you of your childhood? My grandma's soup, warm chicken soup.
Chicken soup, nice and simple. Listeners, repeat, soup, chicken soup. Now, more basic words. Bread, milk, water, juice, apple, banana. Mateo, what drink did you love as a child?
I loved orange juice.
Let's repeat. Orange juice. Now a simple sentence. I like orange juice. Good. John, Now let's talk about daily activities. Simple actions we did every day as kids. Repeat after me. Wake up. Get dressed. Eat breakfast. Go to school. Play outside. Watch TV. Go to bed. Mateo, what was your daily routine when you were young?
When I was young, I woke up early. I ate breakfast. I went to school. After school, I played outside with my friends. At night, I watched TV and went to bed.
Very good. Listeners, repeat some key phrases. I woke up early. I went to school. I played outside. I went to bed. Now let's connect everything with memories. Now let's connect all the vocabulary with our theme, remembering something old. Mateo, tell me one old memory with greetings.
I remember my grandma saying, "Good morning," every day.
Nice. Listeners, repeat. Good morning. Now another one. Tell me a memory with numbers.
I was 7 when I learned to ride a bike.
7. Repeat. 7. Now a memory with days of the week.
Every Sunday, I ate lunch with my family.
Beautiful. Repeat. Sunday. Now a memory with objects.
I had a small blue book with stories.
Repeat. Book. Now a memory with food.
I loved my mom's bread, warm bread.
Repeat. Bread. And now a memory with daily activities.
I played with my friends every afternoon.
Repeat. I played with my friends. Wonderful. Wonderful. John, now it's your turn. I will ask questions. You answer in your mind or out loud. Question 1. What greeting do you remember from your childhood? Question 2. How old were you in your favorite memory? Question 3. What day of the week is special for you? Question 4. What object do you remember? Question 5. What food or drink brings a memory? Question 6. What daily activity do you remember doing? Great job. John, let's review everything we learned today. Repeat after me, very slowly. Greetings. Hello. Hi. Good morning. How are you? Numbers 1 to 20, 6, 10, 7. Days of the week, Monday to Sunday. Objects, toy, book, ball, bag, photo, food and drinks, bread, soup, orange juice, water. Daily activities, wake up, eat breakfast, go to school, play outside, go to bed. Theme, remembering something old. Mateo, final words?
Remembering is beautiful, and learning English is beautiful too.
I agree. Thank you, Mateo, and thank you, listeners. See you next time.